Hello and welcome back to Softhealer technology. Today we will see auto delete log history functionality. And let's click on BigQuery configuration. Here you can see log auto delete days. Enter number of days logs you want to keep. Suppose I enter 0 here, it will delete all log history. Now go to the schedule action. Here you can see if you check instantly, click on run manual button. Now again go to the BigQuery configuration. Now here you can see it will delete all log history. Thank you for watching.